If you were to lose all your income now, how many years can you survive? 1 year? 2 years?
2 days.
Isn't this daunting and scary? When I first started working in 2004, I was full of energy and ready to take on the whole world. To me, everything can. Zealously, I joined a direct selling company to earn some side income. Do you know the style of direct selling people? Some of them drive luxurious cars, eat expensive meals, carry branded accessories, including their underwear. Aspiring to be in that class, I grew myself to be like them too. I live a lush and lavish lifestyle like a super successful tycoon, splurging and using my meager income like non-stop running water. I ended up with 4 credit cards, all busted over a total credit limit of 28,000. What I was only making 3,000 plus per month. Every month I was hunted and hounded by banks and loan sharks. My life became horribly bad. At the age of 28, I envied my peers who were financially very comfortable. They have big piles of contingency funds and fixed deposits, while I have bigger piles of credit card statements and loan sharks warning letters. I knew I have to stop it immediately. Otherwise, no one would want to marry me. Later, I went for a 3 weeks backpacking holiday in Taiwan. I had a great time, and I spent all my money to boost that country's economy and show off on Malaysia's glory and generosity. When I came back to my office, fully recharged and ready to start my working turbo engine, I opened the door. My office was completely ransacked. All my office equipment were gone. I picked up the scattered, tossed papers and stationeries. All my physical investment crumbled before my eyes. A wise man told me this: if you make a mistake for the first time, you are innocent. If you make a mistake for the second time, you are careless. However, if you repeat the same mistake for the third time, you are a moron. It is really painful to bang my head against the wall twice because I did not save for my rainy day. And worse still, it never even occurred to me that the rainstorm can come anytime. And I do not want to be the moron again and again. I conscientiously turned off my water tap and stopped spending like Datin Sri Rosma. I was determined to follow closely 3 golden rules in prudent spending. Firstly, in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki said, pay yourself first. Every month, I settle my bills on time and live life prudently with my leftover income. Secondly, wear a hat which fits your head. Branded underwear, luxurious accessories, No, no. I learned how to only spend on my needs, not on my whims and fancies. Number 3, stop using credit cards. The credit card is an angel at the front, but a devil at the back. Throw them away. Instead, it is wiser to use a debit card. This way, you are spending the actual money which you have, not the money which you think you will have. Finally, I have now settled all my debts and managed to recover from my financial crisis. Throughout the years, not only that I realized the importance of saving for a rainy day, I also understood that we should not put all our eggs into one basket. Now, I'm wearing 3 hats. I am a young IT entrepreneur, I am an events MC, and I am also running my own online business. All these 3 hats fit into my beautiful head perfectly. Ladies and gentlemen, save for your rainy days. Let us embrace this wisdom. Let us prepare and equip ourselves to stand strong and welcome the rain and storm and enjoy the rainbow thereafter. After all, life is not about waiting for the rain to pass. It is about dancing and flourishing in the rain. Back to you.
Well done, thank you so much. Wasn't that a good speech? Let me tell you this, incident. A year and a half ago, I first met Jocelyn Lim at the AFC Toastmasters Club. She